माननीय श्री रिकू एंड्रू.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson, for allowing me to raise a very important issue concerning the road construction that is currently taking place from Shillong to Dauki and the western bypass under the NHIDCL. Through you, Mrs. Chairperson, I would like to request the concerned minister to consider paying compensation to the farmers, then the homestay operators, store operators, whose livelihood have been greatly affected due to the unmindful dumping of debris along the streams. And this has affected, the paddy fields. It has affected the water source of many people who have been living, through depending on these natural resources. Yep. And therefore, I would urge, or rather I would request the concerned minister to consider some kind of compensation to these people, and at the same time to take stern action against those involved in such unmindful and selfish act by contractors in the name of development. Thank you, Mr. Chairperson.